What up, homie? Come bearing gifts. These are yours? These are mine.
Yeah. Look at the shine on this car rim, bro. Like, look, you can see my shoes.
Yeah, Mertz did a good job.
I know.
And he got all the scrapes out of it.
Yeah, it had a bunch of swirls and
yeah.
You know, it's all gone now.
Woo! You know? We gotta do the video over again.
Yeah.
That outfit though.
Mm-hmm. Look at them white New Balance, bro.
What are those? Okay, so what are we doing? We're putting...
Gonna do transmission fluid. Who knows last time it's been done. Gotta get that smooth shift now with the gate, son. Dendeller. And it's right there. See that little indention?
Yeah.
Okay. Get over here so you can actually see with your eyeballs.
My eyeballs.
See it straight down there? It's like an...
Oh, that bolt right there?
That's it.
Let's see if I can get that. Oh, there's light, please.
Yeah, let me get
Aziz, light.
Aziz, light!
And there it is.
Yeah, there it is, right there.
Boom.
Come on. All we gotta do is get that out, and that's it. Easy.
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 Tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
Just for a second. Shut it off. So where's... This one's not leaking at all.
No. Just dirty. Yeah, here, look, I'll get out the leakiest of them all. I mean, look at that dust boot here. You can see all the grease on it. See, look underneath.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah.
Yeah, you see that?
That explains the clunk we heard for sure.
Yeah, definitely bottoming out. I mean, you can see, look at the bottom of the shock. You know, where the grease is built up on it. And that's even after me wiping this off a little bit. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let's look at ride height comparison. It's a tad shorter. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And that's what it was
Just a
when I
smidge.
measured it. Yeah.
It's barely, but I mean.
Yeah, it's not a lot,
Yeah.
but definitely shorter, you know. You think the rear's cool like that?
I think so. I would drive it and see.
It basically looks just like what it was. You
Yeah,
know?
these are nice looking. I hate all the suspension parts, all the components that are covered up that look nice.
Yeah, you'll never see this. The rear you can see easier, but it's not going to be as nice as...
Yeah, it looks good, man.
So from here to here to that ½ inch mark. In the front I set to the 1/4. So it's going to go to here. So that's the height. So the nut is on this side. The bolt is on this side going this way. So you have to take out the whole air box assembly just because this bolt has to come through this way, which the air box is in the way.
That's a whipping.
Had they put the bolt that way, it would just been able to come out with the nut right there. I probably wouldn't have to take the fender liner out. It's kind of cool seeing the bones of it, dude. It's Gallardo under here. Like, it's essentially the same thing, you know?
Just 6 inches longer. about we start over?
No mic?
I didn't record any of it.
There's that. Bruh. So the guy at my gym, the one I sent you the Instagram of him squatting, you know? He did like 5:30 or 5:35, something like that. And I always take the video.
Yeah.
And he's like, yeah, take a video. I'm like, cool. And this was his max
you didn't
ever.
record it?
Didn't record nothing. Nothing. You know? I'm like hitting it. I'm like, yeah, man. And then I look and I go to stop it and it starts recording. I'm like,
that's the worst.
Oh,
That's the worst.
I'm like, bro, you wanna try that again?
God.
So I think he threw 10 pounds on and he couldn't get it up.
That sucks.